Today, we're going to learn how to transcribe DNA to RNA and translate RNA to amino acid. Before we begin, let's review the DNA complementary base pairs. Adenine will always pair with thymine, and cytosine will always pair with guanine in a DNA model. Transcription is the process by which the information in a strand of DNA is copied into a new molecule of messenger RNA, or mRNA. DNA safely and stably stores genetic material in the nuclei of cells as a reference or template. When you transcribe DNA to RNA, we have to use these rules. Adenine will transcribe to uracil. Thymine will transcribe to adenine. Cytosine will transcribe to guanine, and guanine will transcribe to cytosine. It's almost the same as the complementary DNA base pair, except we have a new transcription right here, where adenine will transcribe to uracil. Translation is the process in which ribosome in the cytoplasm, or ER, the endoplasmic reticulum, synthesizes proteins after the process of transcription of DNA to RNA in the cell's nucleus. So after transcription, we need to translate the RNA to amino acid. We have the DNA strand right here, and I copy each 3 will represent a codon. So if I were to put a line for every 3 base, each one represents 1 codon. To translate RNA to amino acid, I wrote CUG here and used the codon table to find an amino acid. We start with C to U to G, and you should get amino acid leucine. When you translate RNA to amino acid, you want to go in an outward direction. Let's try another one, the second codon. We have UGA. U, G, A. Stop is your amino acid. CUG, we have C, U, G, leucine. Some amino acids may repeat, as in the polypeptide chain. AGA, A, G, A, arginine. Let's do 2 more. GCA, G, C, A, alanine. AUG, A, U, G, methionine. And AGA, A, G, A, arginine. Closure. We use the central dogma of genetics to transcribe DNA to RNA and translate RNA to amino acid. To transcribe DNA to RNA, we must use these rules: A to U, T to A, C to G, and G to C, and use the codon table to translate RNA to amino acid. You can also check out this reference up here. DNA is just transcribed to mRNA, and mRNA is translated to amino acid in the polypeptide chain. Thank you for listening.